Hey, I am Maya, a state-of-the-art AI assistant for business analytics. But what is Maya? To answer that question, we need to describe how analysis and reporting used to be, or maybe still is. The old stack. The old way of doing it was a marketeer collecting a bunch of CSVs from different sources and using some VLOOKUPs to combine them across multiple Excels to create some reports. This was so popular because a marketeer in a working day time could create an ad hoc report and make a decision. Unfortunately, it was very time-consuming to maintain this process, and the result was unreliable due to all the chaos. Finally, no one in the organization could benefit from this effort by extending it to make their own analysis or even read the ad hoc reports due to lack of proper format and documentation. The modern stack. Day by day, more and more organizations are heavily investing in their data to help them guide and validate their strategic business decisions. A proper modern infrastructure costs and looks as complex as this one. There are three main steps: extraction, storage/transformations, and reporting/analysis. In the first step, a data engineer writes a bunch of scripts to fetch data from the different services. With the help of a marketeer, to know which specific data are needed from the immense volume of available data, and a DevOps engineer to make sure of security and smooth operations. In the second step, a senior data engineer needs to set up the workflows to transform and normalize the data to a more digestible format, and also through testing needs to make sure of data quality and reliability. At the final and most difficult step, the normalized data need to be modeled in a way to match the analytical needs of the whole organization, where three different experience personas need to contribute to achieving that. The result that is expected from this process is firstly, actionable reports that not only look good but also that can instantly produce actions to reduce costs, increase efficiency, or change the course of a business decision. We can agree that is not simple. These kinds of reports are built through years of iterations and experience. Secondly, self-service BI and democratization of data, where any user can access and work with data comfortably, like drag and drop comfortably, even if they don't have a technical background. Also, specifying business definitions through modeling and documentation works as creating a common language that anyone can easily understand to perform professional class analysis. Finally, direct access to a unified database for other applications inside the company. This also gives a great advantage to extend all the efforts to more advanced cases like predictive analytics and machine learning. As you understand, since so many people are involved, we have high complexity and maintenance, high costs, and a setup time that can take up to 3 years to achieve the goals. The modern stack using services. Fortunately, many good services and tools have been developed that can help decrease the complexity and maintenance, reduce the costs, and also introduce a lot of good practices to known engineering problems. Services such as Stitch Data, Fivetran, and Supermetrics facilitate the ETL process, and not a single data engineer or DevOps is needed during the extraction process. Just a basic non-tech user. Also, well-known frameworks like dbt have optimized and organized the storage transformation processes. Unfortunately, the reporting and analysis process still remains a complex problem, and the need for experienced professionals is necessary. Without their proper and organized contribution, and this is a fact, all the efforts of 1 or 2 years are left aside, since no proper modeling, actionable reports, or self-service BI has been achieved. And this is where Maya comes. Under the hood, every process that we described is smoothly connected to reach the final and the most important goals that will enable data to be actually used to drive decisions. And this happens with under 1 hour of setup time, no maintenance, and at the cost of an entry-level analyst. Many have tried to solve this problem, but our advantage is our experience. Others only offer simple reports with beautiful but meaningless visualizations. They do not offer the capabilities of self-service BI, or they offer their own custom BI tool that has a steep learning curve and a platform lock-in. Our solution is based on a well-known and mostly used BI tool, Power BI, that anyone with basic Excel knowledge can learn. Also, they do not offer extendability like direct access to normalized data to perform advanced tasks like predictive analytics or machine learning. Apart from all these, every aspect of the product is created not to take a look but to take action. Maya is very easy to use. Connect your sources. Adjust to your business definitions. Take decisions using business-ready dashboards. But also, customize or create your own dashboards to match your business needs. And that's Maya. Thank you for your time.